So today I want to talk about an important topic in self-service analytics, which is how to avoid the blank page syndrome. So when a user for the first time enters a solution like Veezoo, they get greeted here by this message, good evening, they see a dashboard, down here some question suggestions, and then here this input box where they can ask questions. But the user for the first time joining, they might wonder, hey, like what data is there and what are the questions that I can ask? And for the what data is there, we do have this knowledge graph button that shows us the data that is around. And you actually have the possibility to also configure a button that answers the question, what can I ask? And that's what Veezoo Discovery is about. So if the admin team kind of goes to Veezoo Studio, they have here the option to create this new discovery file. I'll just call it discovery. And it will get pre-populated with the sample structure. And if I refresh now Veezoo, you can see that there's already this new button, what can I ask? Just with the sample topic now, but now you can imagine that you can actually fill this with really meaningful blocks that help the user to discover the use cases, functionalities, and questions that you can ask. So this instance I've already prepared one such discovery file. Let me just save this and overwrite what we had before. And if I refresh now Veezoo and open again that what can I ask, we see here that we have like this block with the general questions, with the Veezoo 101, time development, maybe also a cluster with example questions for various user roles or for various use cases. But the data team is actually free to kind of choose what they want to put here. And if I, for instance, go here in Veezoo 101, you can see that up here you have a description that you can freely set, and here like the various questions that you can cycle through. You also get the answer here as a preview, so like how many orders last year per segment, and you can actually take this over into the chat window and even continue for here. So you can say like compare with 2023 to date. So we believe this is a very easy way to get started, especially for new users that maybe just had a very short training session, because this way they can really explore themselves already the types of questions that you could ask against the data set.